We just finished up a 55 in the shop here, that kind of special car for us. Customer from back east ordered us to build, kind of let us do what we wanted to do, and it said I want to carve this all black, and so it gave us opportunity to throw our own little flavor at it, and it turned out pretty unique. Now we're out just starting to drive it, and it's so far been very impressive. It does have a 1,000 horsepower engine, so probably more than anyone really needs, but you can brag about that, right? So yeah, we're gonna go take it for a drive and see how she runs. Well, here we are, first driving the 55 Chevy for me. The guys at work have driven it. They're laughing right now because they think it's pretty scary fast. I'm just a little bit nervous, but we'll take a run at it and see what it can do here. Oh. Yeah, that's stupid. So this has got to be one of our highest powered 55 TriFive builds, period. 1,000 horsepower Wegner Motorsports 427 LS. It's got a super beefy 4L85E in it. First time using a Lokar pulse shifter. Seems to work pretty responsive. Some of these shifters, you hit the button and they lag. They don't hit right away. This one seems to hit really fast. You can barely touch the pedal in this thing, man. This is awesome. This is easily the fastest car I've ever driven. I'm honestly a little bit nervous and sweating right now. So I like fast things. This thing's spooky. I'm gonna have to have a serious conversation with the new owner on how to drive this. Sure drives nice though. Art Morrison chassis, IRS suspension, great big tires, lots of power, quality built by MetalWorks. This is it, man.